Hello guys, please this video is for teaching sake, so don't mind the screen view. You are welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create your YouTube shorts. Toward the end of this video, I will also teach you how to turn some button off, so when you are downloading your video from CapCut, it will not consume much of your data. So guys, I'm making this video for your sake. Some people were asking about how to create YouTube short videos, so I'm making this video for you. This video is not for content's sake. I'm making this video to show you a step-by-step guide on how you can create your YouTube short videos. Before we proceed, please do well to hit the subscribe button and click the like button. If there is anything you want me to create a video on, please do well to tell me on the comment section. Thank you. After watching this video, you can be able to create your own YouTube short videos. And also, I will also show you difference between 16:9 and 9:16 image size by using CapCut editing tools to show you how to create your YouTube short videos. So in YouTube, there are two types of image size. Number one is for YouTube short video size, which is 9:16. This is the image example. 9:16 is portrait. Same type of image you are using for TikTok or Instagram Reels. It is tall and vertical, just like phone screen. Number two is for normal video size, which is 16:9. 16:9 is landscape in nature, just like YouTube thumbnails or regular YouTube videos. It is wide and horizontal in nature. So if you are using 9:16 image size, there are two things you need to have in mind. What you need to have in mind is, according to YouTube short policy, any 9:16 image used more than 1 minute should not be considered a YouTube short video. It should be considered as a normal regular videos. So for me, if you want to create your YouTube short, keep it at a length of 1 minute only. YouTube have also extended their shorts to 3 minutes, but you will be able to use these 3-minute short YouTube videos only when you have built a lot of channel history, and they will upgrade your short features to 3 minutes. But the reason I will advise you to keep your short below 1 minute is, if you are making a long minute short, example 3 minutes, if your video is not engaging, your viewers may not be able to watch till the end. And when your viewers didn't watch till the end, YouTube will consider your short as not interesting, and it will affect the YouTube algorithm to keep pushing your video to more audience. But when you make it to 1 minute maximum, there is probability that people may watch to the end. I hope by now you have understood that 9:16 image size is for YouTube short videos, while 16:9 is for normal regular videos. And also, you have understood that when you are using 9:16 image size, which is for YouTube short videos, you have to keep it on the length of 1 minute maximum. Any other than that is considered normal regular videos. But when your channel history has been upgraded, any 9:16 video length higher than 3 minute length is considered normal regular videos. I hope you understand it clearly now. If you don't understand, watch this video again. So now let's go to CapCut so you can understand better. Remember, I am making this video only to teach you about YouTube short videos only. So that's why I'm focusing only on YouTube short teachings. So if you open your CapCut here, you click the create video button. It will take you to your phone gallery. Then import a video or image that has a 9:16 image size. This is an example. After you have imported your 9:16 image, this is how it will look. Drag your timeline image to 60 seconds length. I hope you are seeing what I'm doing. Or you can make any length time of your choice. But remember, the maximum is 60 seconds, which is 1 minute maximum. You can make 20 seconds, 30 seconds, 40 or 50 seconds. But remember, the maximum is 60 seconds. The next thing you will do is to start creating anything that you want it to be in your video short. And keep in mind, whatever you are creating should be in line time with this timeline image you have set to 60 seconds, which is 1 minute. So after creating, then go to your resolution, downloading settings here. This place. If you are using a phone, but if you are using a laptop, also look for this. Then click it. Reduce here to 480. This place should be 480. And also turn this 4K button off. Okay? The reason is when you are downloading your video, it will not consume much data. Even after downloading, your image quality will still look pretty perfect. So don't worry about the cinematic view of how your video will look. It will look pretty perfect. So this is how you can create your YouTube short video. So if this video really teaches you something, please click the subscribe button just to show appreciation that you are happy, and also like the video. If you want me to make another video on anything you want, please comment on the comment section. When I see your comment, I will possibly do what you said. Thank you, and see you on my next video.